Hi, I'm Joel. Let's be honest, dealing with after-treatment systems can be one of the most frustrating parts of a mechanic's job. You've seen it. Fault codes that barely explain anything. Machines that are stuck in D-rate. Regens that just keep coming back. And downtime that you see and know that nobody can afford. That's exactly why we built this course. This training is designed to give you the tools, the knowledge, and a clear step-by-step process to finally take control of after-treatment diagnostics without the guesswork. So here's what you're going to learn. How Tier 4 systems actually work. The DOC, the DPF, the SCR. How to break down sensors and fault codes logically. How to apply a repeatable diagnostic strategy that works in the shop or in the field. And how to approach these systems with confidence instead of frustration. So whether you're turning wrenches for years, just starting out, or leading an entire fleet, this course is built to help you and your team tackle after-treatment with confidence. Based on your current experience, feel welcome to move through the lessons at your own pace. You already know the basics, you're going to breeze through the early modules. That's by design. So the truth is, after-treatment systems are only going to get more complex, and they're not going to go away. But once you understand the structure, the logic, and the right process, these systems stop being a mystery and start making sense. You're going to save time, you're going to stop part swapping, and you'll cut down on all those frustrating repeat visits. So this is all about working smarter, not harder, and giving you the clarity and confidence to tackle after-treatment problems head on. Let's get started.